Alright guys, well, I broke one of my tanks, so I had to make do with what I had. It's actually not a bad idea. I think I'm going to start using it a lot more. Sorry for my little monster of a kid. He's with daddy tonight. Mom's out at dinner with family, so pardon the noise, but this is my 3-day-old Black Moscow fry. I got about 22, 23 in there left. The mom dropped her fry while I was at work, and I didn't secure the top part of the lid on that separates them. And somehow she got in there and ate a bunch. So, yeah, just make sure that breeder box lid's on right. But I have these guys in there. I got a little 5-watt heater. I got the airline coming out of my gang box there. Water's at about 84. And then feeding them a couple different things. I have crushed up flakes that I put in my mortar pestle and just ground up to powder. Feeding them baby brine shrimp, obviously. And some spirulina. Sorry if I screwed pronouncing that out. But yeah, that's where they are now. And in a couple weeks, I will move them into a new tank outside and get ready to take them to the local shop and maybe sell a few on Aquabid. Thanks, guys.